So, did you see where they scooped up all these stuff? The fishing lake is off too, baby. Yes. Yeah. Not the big one that everybody boats.
I was thinking that's where we were going. And I was thinking this one.
So the group is at Dunnavant Valley Greenway today, which is located about 1.5 miles off of 280 to the east. And we're looking forward to this. We've done it before, but here we are again.
But we're not going that far. We're going to go up and then we'll turn around and come back.
Yeah, that's what I was talking to them. She said there's plenty of parking at that end of the trail.
Yeah. I've never parked there.
At this end? Going that way?
Yeah, she said it's you get on the trail right behind the soccer field. So you got all the parking for the soccer.
I'm not sure all that's not that way.
No, that's where she just came
According to that
there.
map I put on the on our thread, the Google Earth, there was this parking spot, and more easterly was that next place where they had what they called the Dunnavant Park, not Greenway.
Maybe that's where we went and they were planting the plant.
Maybe that.
Well, we might have stopped in there and looked around before we went to eat or something, but we didn't hike down there.
We hiked somewhere.
You can take the rock scramble up.
Well, this is what I'm wondering. What are we doing, Ann? Are we going to the rock scramble or the Greenway or the easy way?
I like the easy way.
I love following.
The initials carved in this tree. Yeah.
These aren't trees. They're real big walking sticks for along the way.
Yeah, and that's handy.
Well, I wouldn't count on it because there's been 2 snake bites recently. So. Oh, this is a big jumble right here.
Doug, I went to get the SD card out of my trail cam. I had it pointed down toward the creek, and there were 2 water moccasins down there mating.
Just now?
No, a couple weeks ago, which I'd never seen before, and I was sure that trail cam would have picked it up, and it didn't. I was so disappointed. My trail cam.
I know, but where is
It was pointed down toward the creek over there.
the campground?
Yeah. Oh, I've seen, I don't know if it's the same one or not. I didn't get their name, but I've seen 3 or 4 cottonmouths over there.
You need to always get their name.
What makes you think they're cottonmouth?
Because I know what a cottonmouth looks like.
Cottonmouth and water moccasins the same thing.
Yeah.
But most water snakes get called that even though they're not.
Oh, I understand. I misnamed that king snake up at your house, but I won't miss usually. I wanted to be a herpetologist when I grew up. I've studied snakes. No. I wouldn't make it to the end of the 4-year degree. Well, I was wondering when you joggers were going to slow down a little bit.
We started to blow up the bridge.
Yeah.
We decided the next time we're going to bring something to blow up the bridge. Twiney, are we going back, Captain?
Where's Doug?
He was talking to those two hikers going the other way. I think he was trying to find out if there was a place around here where they're planting flowers. He can't get over there.
I know, I remember what he's talking about though, but what it was like a church group or something. And they were on a hike and they were planting flowers or something somewhere, but I don't think it was here, I think it was someplace else.
In and out. On the way out, you just get to see a different view of everything.
I didn't even notice it.
I didn't either, but that's got a pretty spectacular route.
Well, I was just going to say that route thing on there reminds me of that pirate guy and that Pirates of the Caribbean thing. You remember the guy had that beard?
Beard with all
I think that the other thing that's fascinating
That-
is
that rock.
Yeah.
standing, yeah.
The standing rock. Well, there's the Pirate of the Caribbean tree with a hole in it.
That's pretty cool tree.
That is. Okay, how long is this going to be in total? We're on our way back now at the end of the first leg of the hike. This is an in and out. How far is this?
1.5 miles.
So it's a mile and a half in, mile and a half out for a total of three miles of really nice terrain. Pretty level, moderate, easy to walk.
Except for a few little places.
Except for a couple little places.